Hello friends, today our topic is Arjuna Award. Arjuna Award. This award is officially known as Arjuna Awards for outstanding performance in sports and games is the sports honor of Republic of India. Arjuna is a legendary hero who is best archer in central character of the Hindu epic Mahabharata. The Arjuna Award was instituted in 1961 as the highest national recognition of distinguished sports persons. Means the government of India introduced Arjuna Award in the year 1961 to give the honor or respect for their outstanding performance in games and sports. It was named after the great perfect Shishya Arjuna of Mahabharata. Means this award was named after a great hero Arjuna, son of the god Indra, is famous for his archery and for the magical weapons that he wins from the god Shiva. He is the hero of the Indian epic Mahabharata. This award is given to the sports personality who excels in games and sports for 3 consecutive years at national and international levels. Means Arjuna Award is given to the honor or respect to their outstanding performance in games and sports without any break continuously in 3 years at a national level. Means relation to a whole nation, and international level means the games and sports which occurs among different nations. The awardees is given a bronze statue of Arjuna, a scroll, means a figure of Arjuna made of copper, a roll paper for writing appreciation letter about players, and a cash prize along with a monogram blazer and a tie. Means money together with a embroidery style on clothings. Blazers often have a naval style metal buttons to reflect their origins as jackets worn by sportsperson. Tie means to form a knot or bow in tie your scarf. During the year 1994, the amount of cash prize to the winner of Arjuna Award 3 lakh rupees. Means in 1994 the amount of cash award was 3 lakh rupees only. Now the cash prize money increased from 3 lakh to rupees 5 lakh. Means at the moment the cash award given in Arjuna Award is increased up to 5 lakh. Arjuna Awards for the year 1994 were presented by the President of India to 8 outstanding sportspersons at Rashtrapati Bhavan on 29 August 1995. Means Arjuna Awards winners in 1994, the President of India who present the sportsperson a Arjuna Award on 29 August 1995. Usually the Arjuna Awards presented by Indian President in President Hall every year on 29 August. This award is decided by 10 members committee which consists of 7 Olympic players and 3 sports authority of Indian officials. Means a group of official appointed with the charge to decide to whom the Arjuna Award is given. The committee comprising 7 Olympic players and 3 officials or employees. This award is given in 3 categories: Olympic, Asian and Commonwealth Games or cricket. Means indigenous Indian games and physical handicapped. Means Arjuna Award is presented in three kinds. Olympic means the games were held every 4 years. Asian Games, it is a multidisciplinary sports event held once in every 4 years. Commonwealth Games means an event held every 4 years in which Commonwealth nations takes part. Indigenous games or the native games and play activities originating and characteristics of particular area of country. Physical handicapped means disabilities such as physically handicapped players. Thanks and have a nice day.